Okay, I found the problem. The problem is this connector. It seems to have melted here. Melted. So this yellow connects to this yellow, which I've already cut. I cut this off because I'm going to re-weld it without this connector. Appears that the green goes to the blue. The blue goes to the green. The green to blue, blue to green, yellow to yellow. I'm going to cut these, and I'm going to try to separate these wires. I don't want them heating up. Here's a problem here too. The wires heat up when they're bundled, so I can't bundle them. I fold these together. Here's another problem with the wires. When they're folded together, like I do when I have to fold them together because it's so long, they melt. They heat up and melt. So I'm going to just cut the right length on this, keep it straight. These wires get hot, and I don't see them lasting that long if I don't take care of them. May have to replace them with some real good wire, thicker wires. Anyway, that's the problem right there. Right there. And we'll be correcting that. Hopefully it works after that.